Hey, how are you doing? It's me, Murad Sultan Ezouidi, the pioneers in methods, a Tunisian researcher, and the Tunisian mathematical teacher. Okay, is now live with his kids and his colleagues and his professor to work with ninth degree from equation. Okay, so I will share first the screen so that everyone can see my screen. Okay, I'm going to share the screen of my desktop with you so that you can learners see what we will do exactly. So this is learners that announce we announced that sooner I will be live with you learners and colleagues and professors and learners, even students. Okay, to explain my theorem to solve for x the ninth degree from equation. Means now we reach the ninth degree from equation. Also we will reach, let's say, the 10th and 11th and 12th, but this depends on time and if I'm busy or not. Okay, so our polynomial to the power 9 is that. Okay, I will try to make this bigger so that you can see. Get ready to solve ninth degree polynomial equation. Use the discrete formula of the Tunisian mathematical researcher Murad Sultan Ezouidi to find out the exactness. Means here in this example, we will really solve, let's say, and give exactness. Okay, so let's see. This is our 2 to the power 9. Okay, so it will be p of x equal x raised to the power 9 minus x raised to the power 8 plus 36 divided by 9 squared times x raised to the power 7 minus 90 over 9 cubed times x raised to the power 6 plus 162 divided by 9 raised to the power 4 times x5 or x raised to the power 5 minus 216 divided by 9 raised to the power 5 times x raised to the power 4 plus 215 divided by 9 raised to the power 6 times x cubed minus 159 divided by 9 raised to the power 7 times x squared plus 78 divided by 9 raised to the power 8 times x minus 24 divided by 9 raised to the power 9 equals 0. Where my polynomial to the power 9 has to be written as the following: x raised to the power 9 minus L0 of O the cube x raised to the power 8 plus L1 of O the cube x raised to the power 7 minus L2 of O the cube x raised to the power 6 plus L3 of O the cube x raised to the power 5 minus L4 of O the cube x raised to the power 4. Then learners plus L5 of O the cube x cubed minus L6 of O the okay of O the okay. So we told that I'll just come here and do this one. We told minus L minus okay minus L6 of 42 x squared plus L7 of 42 x raised to the power 1 minus L8 of 42 equals 0. Here, as you see, we will use the discrete formula of Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi. Means that for every k that belongs to the set of numbers from minus 1 to 9 minus 1, means from minus 1 to 8, I'm going to find s minus 1, then s1, then s2, then s3, then s4, then s5, then s6, then s7, then we should find the s8. After finding these 9 coefficient, we can write our new ninth degree polynomial equation. It's a strategy. It's a method, it's a way, it's a theorem of me that will be applied here in this kind of questions. Okay, but before starting this, I will ask now, let's say, other website to solve this polynomial equation to the power 9, and we'll see what their response will be. Okay, of course they can do this one because they use a rational theorem, and rational theorem works about the factors of 24 divided by 9 raised to the power 9 divided by the coefficient of 1. Okay, and they use algorithm to find the roots if it is possible. Okay, from 5 and up they can't be applied. Okay, thank you for those who are comment. Thank you for those. Thank you those for those who believe believe in math, in science in general, in science. Okay, and who believe that one day they will meet or travel to the moon as others do, as others were doing. Okay, like China spacecraft, like Russia spacecraft. Okay, so now, and thank you for also the Amr Ahmed. Thank you, Mr. Amr Ahmed, for your interfere. Okay, thank you, Mr. Amr Ahmed, for this for your support. Thank you, Mr. Thank you, Mr. Ahmed Amri, Mr. Ahmed Amri, Ahmed Amri. What is it? Okay, Ahmed Amri, for your interaction, for your interactive, uh, inter interactive, uh, interactive and interactive what? Interactive notes. Okay, okay. So now, learners, I'm going now to go to this one. I will make math solver. Okay, problem solver calculator. Microsoft. This is Microsoft. This is Microsoft. You see, Microsoft will be blocked, will be stuck in front of this ninth degree polynomial equation. Of course, it had been stuck before, for seventh and sixth and eighth degree polynomial equation. Now I will give him this equation and see what the answer should be. Okay, okay, everything. This is the polynomial to the power 9. Enter. Okay, you see. Okay, go. Okay, here out 2 divided by 9 cube root. Okay, 3 plus 1 and cube root of 2 cube root of 2 plus 9 divided by 9. Okay, these are the roots that he found. Okay, and he started. Okay, he used the graphics. Okay, now we start, learners. So I'm going now to close this one. I'll see what ChatGPT can say. Okay, ChatGPT, ChatGPT. Welcome. Solve this. Now stay log out. Okay. The expression you provided to be an equation with boom in terms of x, combine it. Okay, go now. After that, he stopped to solve this equation. You would typically look for roots of the problem, but due to the complexity of terms, it's more practical to either simplify the question or look the patterns. So you can do it. He can do this one. Okay. Now I will close. Then I will start doing my work using my theorem. Okay. This is now we start. The start with we are starting now, learners. As you have your own calculators, I'll just give you the steps, and you will follow my steps, and then you will get your ninth, the nine roots, the nine exact roots. Okay. So the formula of me is S subscript k minus 1 over the r, the sum from 0 to k, combination n minus r choose k minus r, n raised to the power r between parentheses, negative L0 for the raised to the power k minus r times Lr minus 1, Lr minus 1 for the q. Now with by convention, according to me, S minus 1 is equal to 1 because the combination of n to 0 is 1. Okay. For S0 is the sum of the nine x roots of the new n degree polynomial equation that I'm looking for solving it. Okay. So S0 in fact is negative 9 plus 9 because combination 9 choose 1 is 9 times 1 because the first coefficient is 1 plus 9 times 1, so it's going to be 0. Now we found S1. To find S1, just make substitution in the decimal formula of Murad, Sultan, Ezouidi, okay, and you will reach the formula which has been written as negative combination 1 choose 1 times combination n choose 2 times L0 for this q squared plus n squared times L1. Now just calculation. You can use your calculator, learners. S1 is equal to 0, equal negative 1 choose 1, 9 choose 2, 1 squared plus 9 squared times 36 over 9 squared. 9 squared and 9 squared is 1. Okay, it will be 2, it will be 36 minus 36 plus 36 is 0. Okay, that's simple calculation. Now I'm looking for S2 learners. I will focus when or after putting k equal 3 in this formula of Murad Sultan Ezouidi, this one. Okay, I will give it another color. Okay, this one. So we will get S2 equal, after making the substitution, it will be equal to 6. Okay, so we have S minus 1 is 1, S0 is 0, S1 is 0, S2 is 6. Okay, now we continue. We want to find S, okay, we want to find this. I need this before going up. I need this standard form of my polynomial to the power n, or here to the power 9. Okay, so we continue. We told that S2 is going to be equal to 6. Now we should find S3. To find S3, learners, just substitute k equal 4 in the decimal formula of the Canadian mathematical researcher Murad Sultan Ezouidi and get to calculate S3. Therefore, after making, after let's say focusing on the last expression that had been written in its lowest term, so which is S3 equal negative 3 choose 1 times combination n choose 4, n is 9. This is the general formula for S3. Also, okay, we continue. This is these are the coefficients of L0, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5, L6, L7, L8. Okay, as you are in level 1, learners and professors and colleagues, suppose that k equal 1. Okay, be confused. After that, there is another theorem to tell you that q in fact is the order of the roots. Okay, order of multiplicity. Okay. Now I will just write S3 as that. I will just make calculation. If you'd like to calculate, you can do it by yourself, but no problem. I will help you calculate it. Okay. So it will be negative 3 times 9 choose 4. 9 choose 4 is 126. Multiply 126 plus 7 choose 2 is 21 plus 21 times 36 only times 36 to this one minus 6 times 90 plus 162 plus 162. This one, my kids, is going to be equal to 0. Therefore, it's a simple calculation. You can do it, but the difficult work is how can you figure out a string, okay, from the decimal formula or Mr. Murad Ezouidi. Okay, you should be very accurate. Okay, when you are working with this kind of s subscript k minus one upon the fuse, your work has to be more accurate. Okay, so the target is to find S4. To find S4, just put k decimal formula of name and try to figure out after writing the formula its lowest term. S4 equal combination 4 choose 1 times combination raised to the power 2 times 0 for 2 raised to the power 3 times L1 plus combination n minus 2 choose 2 and cube times it works. So the problem in the restream my case, okay? The problem here is out of my hand, is in the control, in the stream website control. The problem is in the website control. Okay, so I will just continue, learners. Sorry for this interruption. It's not from my own site. Okay, it's out of my control. It's in the website restream control. Okay, so we continue. I will continue share the screen. I will continue share the screen. Okay, so that learners you can see. Okay, so the screen now it's clear. I already shared this one with you. Okay, I will see if it is shared or not. Yes, it works. Now, learners, we continue. We told that this one is equal to 0. We calculated, okay, it is going to be 0, okay? It's going to be equal to an hour. Now we continue. Thank you for those who are joining the lecture because this topic is very difficult, and especially where exposing a new theorem of Mr. Murad Sultan Ezouidi, and this theorem now is applicable and well known for solving